What's up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it to you from the Average Model Dungeon. It took me a couple weeks to want to do this video. Coming to you with some sad news. This is a little hard, but my oldest daughter passed away a couple weeks ago, going on 3 weeks. She's been battling a long time with lupus and heart failure and pulmonary arterial hypertension. She had a long laundry list of diagnoses that she had. She finally just got too tired and finally caught up with her. Like I said, I haven't been modeling much. She got sick there and ended up going to the hospital and passed away during a pretty simple procedure. So yeah, it's been rough. I haven't been doing a whole lot of modeling since. I did do a model for my son. At a Red Baron airplane. If I think about it, I'll throw some pictures right after this so you can see it. Yeah, but I just want to get on, kind of tell you what's been going on, kind of on a channel update, and then kind of show off one of the models that she did, that she was working on before she passed away. She never did get it finished, but she was doing I think it's a 77 Pontiac Firebird. She really loved purple. It's the color for lupus, and then I was going to do a sticker and put a butterfly on the front of it for her, for the lupus butterfly. And she did really good. I mean, she was really kind of detailing stuff out, and you see the interior. Really proud of her for working on it. I don't think I'll ever finish this model. I just want to kind of keep it as is, as a good remembrance of some fun we had putting it together. I don't know, maybe one day I'll decide to put it together and finish it for her. But one of the last model shows we went to, she picked up a Corvette to do. Now this one I think I am going to build. I'm going to do it as kind of like a tribute build for her. Thinking about doing a group build. Just any car, but make it purple with either butterflies or elephants. Those were kind of two things. As you can see, I made this shirt with my cricket, and this is what we wore to the funeral. This represents the son who died while she was pregnant, Clayton, and then of course mommy, and then the butterfly represent for lupus. And then she always liked to say, "I love you most," so down at the bottom I put "We love you most" down on the down at the bottom of the shirt. So yeah, not much else going on. Other than that, just been trying to stay strong and make sure the family's okay. I do have 2 sons and another daughter, so this is kind of hit everybody hard, but we're doing okay. We're healing. It's going to take a lot of time, and nobody's rushing anything as far as healing goes. We just want to take it nice and slow, and just be there for anybody that needs anything. What else? I started working on, if you can see behind me, I started working on the longbow a little bit. Did that last night. I just couldn't get in the mood to film yet. That's why I wanted to get this video, not so much out of the way, but just wanted to just come out and say what was going on, and kind of help me move forward and do things that still make me happy, even though it's been really sad, almost 3 weeks now. So, but anyways, yeah, working on that longbow. Got the, if you can see it, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it too well, but got the cockpit done. It's gonna probably not focus on it, but anyways, I worked on it a little bit last night and got the cockpit done. Worked for maybe about an hour and a half on that, and just kind of relaxed and gathered my thoughts. But yeah, I'm gonna try not to make this too long-winded, but try to put out another video in a couple days or so. I got a few new kits that I want to showcase, kind of stash ads, I guess, if you will, and then I'll try to record some more, or try to record some of the longbow build, just to kind of get back into things. And then probably after I'm done with the longbow, I am going to start on the Corvette here for her. I picked up some, what is it here? Is this the right one? Yeah, some hot metal violet, all clad. So I think that's the color I'm going to go with for the car. And then I'll probably print out either an elephant or a butterfly to put on the hood of the car, and maybe some other designs on the side. And then I want to put Lupus Warrior on the back for a tribute for her. So, you know, if you guys want to, any car, doesn't matter. Just want to paint a purple car in remembrance of my daughter Ariana. I'd appreciate it. No time frame. Just if you get it done, make sure you tag me and let me know that it's that you got it done, and you know, I'd greatly appreciate it. So I've kind of made this long-winded, but yeah, I think that's going to cut it for now, and I will see you guys probably with a build video or stash ad next. So thanks for sticking around my channel, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.